Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and in this video we are going to revise and practice some questions and concepts for the term and examination of grade 7. Questions I have taken from the book of Ministry of Education UAE. Let's try the lesson. See, in every question I will try to explain the concept also, so just try to understand. In this question, they say a truck driver drove 48 miles in 45 minutes. At this rate, how many miles can the truck driver drive in 1 hour? Now, this type of questions easily you can do like this. One is mile and another is time, or you can say minutes. Okay. Now you can see here. First is 48 miles in 45 minutes. Now they say at this rate how many miles? So miles we don't know, and what is the time? Time is 1 hour, means 60 minutes. Okay, here just remember one thing, that units must be same. If one is in minute, then another should also be in minutes. Okay, so what you will do here, you can find the ratio or you can do by the unitary method. Okay, so if you want to do by the unitary method, then in 1 minute how much it will travel? See, in 45 minutes it travels 48 miles in 45 minutes. So in 1 minute how much it will travel? It will travel less. So it will be 48 divided by 45. So in 60 minutes it will travel more. So it will be 48 divided by 45 times 60. Now we need to just simplify this. So you can see 60 and 45, they can be divided by 15. So 15 times 4, 60, 15 times 3, 45. And 48 can be divided by 3, so it will be 16. So 16 times 4 will be 64 miles will be the answer. Okay. Similarly here, this question, Russell runs 9 over 10 miles in 5 minutes. Now you see same type of question. It is mile and this is minute. So 9 over 10 miles in 5 minutes. At this rate, how many miles can he run in 1 minute? So it is just 1 minute, so no need to be do more things here. So just divide by 5. So 9 by 10 divided by 5. Now you see here we are dealing with the fraction and division. So what you will do, you will make it in multiplication and the number after the division will be reciprocated. So it will be 9 over 10 times 1 over 5. So it will be 9 over 50 mile. Okay, and I am sure it cannot be simplified further. So this will be the answer. Make sure that you will write the answer in the simplest form if it can be. Now, next question can be, DeAndre downloaded 8 apps onto his tablet in 12 seconds. Now you see one is app and another is time or second. Okay, 8 apps in 12 seconds. So at this rate, how many apps could he download in 1 minute? 1 minute means 60 seconds. Yes. Now you see, without unitary method also we can do it directly, and it's quite simple. See, 12 multiply, what number will be equal to 60? It will be 5. So 12 multiply 5 is 60. So to maintain the same ratio, you will have to multiply this number also with 5. So 8 multiply 5 will be equal to 40 apps he will download in 1 minute. Okay. Same here. In Lex's garden, the green pepper plants grew 5 inches in 3 over 4 months. Now you see, this is inch and this is month. So 5 inches and 3 over 4 month. At this rate, how many feet can they grow in 1 month? Okay. So in 1 month we need to find, but here see, they are asking the question in feet, not in inches. So what we will do, either you convert this inch into the feet, or first you find the answer into inches and then you convert it into feet. So I am sure you know the conversion. 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. Okay. Please check this calculation. I am sure it is correct. 1 feet is equal to 12 inches almost. So 5 inches will be equal to 5 over 12 feet. So I am writing it into feet now. Okay. So in 1 month what it will be? It will be less. So just you need to divide. So 5 by 12 divided by 3 over 4. And since it is a division of fraction, so number before division no change, division will be into multiplication, and the number after multiplication will be reciprocated. Now 4 and 12 can be simplified, so its answer will be 5 over 9 feet. Okay, like this you can finish this question. Next can be, the cost of pumpkin is shown in the table. Determine whether the cost of a pumpkin is proportional to the number bought by graphing the relationship on the coordinate plane. Okay, now this is free response question. I am sure maybe they can make some multiple choice question also. Okay, so proportional relation. What is the proportional relation? Like it will look like this: y is equal to k times x. What is k here? K is called constant of proportionality. What we say? Constant of proportionality. So it helps you to find the value of x or value of y. Now you see, here it is value of x is 0, value of y is 0, value of x is 1, value of y is 4, means it is 4 times. Value of x is 2, value of y is 8, again it is 4 times. You see, everywhere it is 4 times. So what is the relation here? Relation is y is equal to 4x. So 4 is the constant of proportionality, or you can say unit rate, or maybe in some lessons you can use the word slope also. 4 is the slope. Okay, now what they say here? They say that draw by graphing. Okay, so we can draw it, no problem. Number of pumpkin is here, so it is x. So let me raise this thing, everything here. Okay, now so here one point is 0 0, one point is 1 4, one point is 2 8, one point is 3 12, one point is 4 16. Now you can see we can plot all these on the coordinate plane, and you know first value is of x, so 0 0 is this point, then 1 4 1 4 will be this point, then 2 8 will be here, 3 12 3 12 here, and then 4 16 here. Okay, now you can see it can be joined with the straight line passing from origin. Okay, so it is passing from origin, so it is representing a proportional relation. Now next is, the table shows temperature in degrees Celsius and their equivalent temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Determine whether the temperature in degree Fahrenheit is proportional to the temperature in degree Celsius by graphing the relationship on the coordinate plane. Now first of all we'll draw 0 32. So 32 will be somewhere between 20 and 40. Between 20 and 40 it will be 30. So 32 will be just above it. Okay. Then 5 41. So 5 will be after 4 between this, because this is 6. So 5 will be in between this, and 41. So it will be somewhere around here. Yes. Okay. Now 10 50. So 10 will be between 8 and 12, and 50 will be between 40 and 60. So somewhere here. Okay. Now it will be 15 and 59. 15 will be between 15 and 16, 14 and 16. So 15 and 59. Go up, little up here. I am sure it is going correct. Yes. Now no need to draw that another one, because you see it is not in a straight line like this. It is moving like this. Yes. So it is not proportional. Also you can check from here. 0 multiplied by any number cannot give you 32. So for x is equal to 0, y is not equal to 0. So definitely it is not a proportional relationship. Okay. Now next question can be, the total cost of online streaming is proportional to the number of months. What is the constant of proportionality? Now you see, if you need to find the constant of proportionality, so for that x must be equal to 1. Then whatever value of y you will see, that will be the constant of proportionality. Okay. Now you see, for x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? Value of y is around between 10 to 20. So it is around 15. So for x is equal to 1, value of y is 15. So what you can see here? what we have to find? Constant of proportionality. So how it is changing? Now you see, for 1 it is equal to 15, for 2 is equal to 30, 3 is equal to 45. So by which value it is changing? It is changing with the value of 15. So in this case, value constant proportionality will be 15. Okay. Now next question can be, Liv earns $9.50 for every 2 bracelets she sells. The equation y is equal to 4.75x represents the number of bracelet and the amount in dollar. What is the constant of proportionality? So constant of proportionality is this one. I told you before also that if y is equal to kx is the equation, then k is called constant of proportionality. Now here students may be confused because here two numbers are written, 9.50 and 4.75. Now if you see, 9.50 is for 2 bracelets. Okay, so for one bracelet it will be 9.50 divided by 2, and I am sure its answer will be 4.75. So constant of proportionality will be always calculated for 1 unit. Okay. Now next is, John ran 3 miles in, do we need to find any other thing? What does the constant of proportionality represent in the context of this problem? Okay. So constant of proportionality represents what? That for every unit of X, or for single unit of bracelet, cost will increase by 4.75 dirham. Okay. Now another question can be that John ran 3 miles in 25.5 minutes. The equation y is equal to 8.5x, where x represents the number of miles and y is the total time, represent this situation. What is the constant of proportionality here? 8.5. How did you get here? From this equation, or maybe in exam they will not give you equation. They will say 25.5 minutes 3 miles. So what is the constant of proportionality or unit rate? So divide 25 by 25.5 by 3 and you will get 3 8s are 24.5. Okay. So this is the unit rate. What does the constant of proportionality represent here? That in every minute, after 1 minute, distance travel will be 8.5 miles. Okay. Now next question can be, Lincoln bought 3 bottles of energy drink for $4.50. Write an equation relating the total cost y to the number of energy drink. Okay. Now you see here, $4.50 for 3 drinks. So for one drink it will be divided. So 3 times 1 3, 3 5s are 15. So 1.5 is the constant of proportionality. So what is the equation? Equation will be y is equal to kx, means value of k is what? 1.5x. Okay, this is the equation. Similarly, the total cost of renting a cotton candy machine for 4 hours is $72. Now you see, it is $72, or I'll write here dirham, and time is 4 hours. Okay, so for 1 hour it will be 72 divided by 4, means 18 dirham. So it is for 1, means this 18 is constant of proportionality. So what equation we can write here? Y is equal to 18x. Okay. Now next question can be, a grading machine can grade 96 multiple choice test in 2 minutes. Now you see, one is MCQ, one is time. So 96 multiple choice questions in 2 minutes. If a teacher has 300 multiple choice questions, then predict the number of minutes it will take to grade. Okay. Now what we can do here, one thing, I'll do it here later. First we will talk about how much he will do in 1 minute, or you just compare these two. Okay. See, 96 and 2. So in 1 minute, how much he will do? 96 divided by 2 means 48. So 48 MCQs he is doing in 1 minute. So 300 MCQs, how much time he will take? 300 divided by 48. So we can divide it. Okay, just simplify this. Maybe I'll simplify by 2, or maybe 3 also. 100 divided by 3 means 16. So 100 divided by 16 means, I think I almost, it will be 6 point something. 16 6 are 96, 4 remainder, 16 2s are 32, 5 8 0, 16 5s are 80. So 6.25 second or minute. Yes, 6.25 minute or some minutes, some seconds. Okay, you can convert the unit according to the answer given in the question. Now, another question can be, a 6-ounce package of fruit snacks contains 45 pieces. How many pieces would you expect in a 10-ounce package? Now you see, it is 6 ounce and it has 45 pieces. So how many pieces in 10 ounce? It will be more. So for more, what you will do? You will multiply with this and divide by this. So it will be 10 multiplied by 45 divided by 6. Or if there is any problem in this method, then you can do with the unit conversion or unitary method. Okay, first you find for 1 ounce and then you divide by, you multiply by 10 ounce. Okay, up to you. Now I am going to simplify this. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 45 divided by 3 will be 15. So 15 times 5 will be 75 pieces. Okay, next can be, of the 50 students in the cafeteria, 7 have red hair. Now you see, 50 students and red hair for 7 students. If there are 750 students, then how many approximately will have red hair? Now you see, as the I told you with the ratio, 50 multiplied by what number will be 750? I think it will be multiplied by 15. So same here, you will multiply 7 by 15 and you will get 105. This will be the answer. Similarly, another question can be, now you see, in a maximum of the questions I am applying the same method. Yes, the wait times for 2 different rides are shown in the table. If there are 120 people lined for the swings, how long can you expect to wait to ride the ride? Okay, now for swing it is 12 minutes for 75 people. Now you see, if I am writing here 2 blocks, 75 people, and how much time in minutes you have to wait? 12 minutes. And if 120 swings I am taking from here, okay, if they say ask for the carousel, then you will write this one. Now, so 120, so how much, how you will find the difference here? Now for 120 you will have to wait more. So for more, what you will do? You will multiply these two cross and then divide by this. So it will be 120 multiplied by 12 divided by 75. Now I think it will be divided by 3, or directly I am dividing it by 15. Okay, 15 5s are 75, 15 8s are 120, and now it is 96 because 12 multiply 8 divided by 5, it will be 19.2, I guess. Just check the calculation. Okay, now next is, find each percent of change. Now you see, this thing is very interesting here. Change. So if first number is less and the second number is more, then definitely it is going to be increase. Yes, and if the first number is more and second number is less, then it will be decrease. Okay, just remember this thing. Now how much is the change? So change you can find by 10 minus 8, which is equal to 2. So 2 is the change from what? 8. So what will be the percent change? Percent change, first I am telling you the formula. Okay, percent change is equal to change divided by original value or old value multiply by 100. Okay, because for percent definitely you are going to multiply by 100. So what is the change? 2 from what? 8 multiply by 100. So 2 divided by 8, 2 divides 8, 4, 100 divided by 4 is 25. So what's the percent change? 25%. Okay, now similarly here, what is the change? 62 minus 31, it is equal to 31. Okay, now it is less. Why it is decreased? Because new value is smaller than the old value. So 31 is the change from what? 62, then multiplied by 100. So 62 divided by 31 is 2, 100 divided by 2 is 50. So it is decreased by 50%. Similarly here, 136 days to 85 days. So what is the change? Change is 136 minus 85. It will be 6 minus 5, 1, 13 minus 8, 5. So what is the percent change? It will be 51 from 136 multiplied by 100. Just check with this calculation and get the answer, okay? Now next question can be, last month the online price of a powered ride-on car was $250. This month the online price is 330. So from 250 it is changed to 330. What is the percent of the increase for the price of the car? So of course it is going to be increase, yes, because it is more and before value was less. So how much? 330 minus 250 minus 0, 3 minus 5 not possible, 8. So 80 from 250 multiplied by 100 because we have to find percent. So it is 0, 0 cancel. 100 divided by 25 is 4. 8 multiply 4 is 32%. Okay. Now next is, at end of the first half of a football game, Nathan had carried the ball for 50.5 yards. By the end of the game, he carried the ball for 75 yards. Okay. So first it was 50.5 and now it is 75. So 0.0. So how much is the change? Change is 0 minus 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Then it is 4. Then it is 2. 24.5 is the change. So how much increase in the percent? It will be 24.5 from 50.5 multiplied by 100. And just check with the calculation. They say round to the nearest whole tenth if necessary. So you can calculate this at your own and I'm sure you will get the answer. Okay. If any problem, you can write in the comment. Next question can be, when Ricardo was 9 years old, he was 56 inch tall. Ricardo is now 12 years old and he is 62 inches tall. Find the percent of the increase in the Ricardo's height. Okay. So 62 change is the new height and 56 was the old height. 62 minus 56 will be 6 inches. So 6 from 56 times 100. So we can simplify 2 3s are 6, 228. And I don't think so that it can be, okay, 14 divided by 2. Here it is 50. So 150 divided by 14. So how much change? 14 times 1, 14. 1 carry forward, 0, then point, 14 sevens are 98, up almost 10.7%. Okay. Next is, at a garage sale, Petra priced her scooter at $15.50. She ended up selling it for 10.75. Find the percent of decrease. So same method, okay. 15.50 minus 10.75, subtract it, 5, 14 minus 7, here it is 4, 4.75. So 4.75 change is from what? 15.50, okay, and then multiplied by 100. Just calculate it and you will get the answer. Now next question can be, find the total cost to the nearest cent. Okay, I am doing just one question here. $18 is the breakfast and 7% is the tax. So it is like we go in cafeteria and we pay the tax also. So total bill, total amount or total cost will be, total cost is equal to $18 fixed plus 7% of 18. So it will be 18 plus 7% means 7 divided by 100 times 18. So it will be 18 plus 18 times 7, 126 I guess. 126 divided by 100. So it will be 18 plus 1.26 because we are dividing it by 100. So 2 decimal places. So it is 18 plus 1, $19.26. Okay. Like this you can finish the question. Other questions also. Okay. Next question will be, Emily wants to buy new boot that cost $68. The sales tax rate in her city is 5.5%. What is the total cost? Same like before, okay? Like it is, cost will be 68 plus 5 1.5% of 68. So just calculate this, because and you will get the answer. Here only calculation is difficult, okay? Otherwise question is not difficult. 5 by 2, 5.5 yani, it will be 11 over 2%, means divided by 100 and then multiplied by 68. Just calculate this and you will get the answer, okay? Only just calculation of fractional number, otherwise nothing is difficult here. Same goes with this question also. And if you face any problem, you can write in the comment, okay? Just I will explain how to do this. Now next question can be, Mr. Fuang stayed in a hotel room for 2 nights at cost 210. The hotel room tax rate is 12% in the city. What is the total cost? Same type of question. Cost is equal to 210 plus 12% of 210. So it is equal to 210 plus 12 divided by 100 times 210. So just calculate this, you will get the answer. Okay, let's see how much we can do. 0 0 cancel, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. It is 210 plus 21 multiplied by 6, 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12 over 5. It is 210 plus 5 times 2 10, 5 times 5 25, 5 times 2 10. So this is $235.2. Like this it will be the total cost. Same question you can do like this also, okay? Now next question can be, find the sales price to the nearest cent. Okay, now you see here it is discount. So if it was tax, you will plus. If it is discount, then you will minus. So total price will be 140 minus 10% of 140. So this is 140 minus 10% means 10 divided by 100. Of means multiply 140. 1 0 cancel here, 1 0 cancel here. So 140 minus 14 and it will be equal to 126. Similarly, you can do these questions. Next question can be, a toy store is having a sale. A video game system has an original price of $99. It is on sale for 40% of the original price. Okay, find the sale price. Okay, so same thing. See, price will be what? Original price 99 and it is a discount. Somewhere it was written discount, yes. Off, yes, of the original price. Now you see, minus 40% of 99. So this is 99 minus 40 divided by 100 times 99. Okay, now you can simplify by taking common or by calculation. It's okay, up to you. You can calculate it, okay? Now same here, you see, a yearly coffee club subscription costs $65. Every received an offer of 62% of the subscription cost. So you can find here 65 minus 62% of 65. Just calculate it and you will get the answer. Next question can be, during a clearance sale at a sporting goods store, skateboards were marked down 30%. This was the first discount, 30%. On Saturday, an additional 25% was taken off already on the reduced price of the skateboard. Now you see, first discount 1, it was 30% first. So it was, if a skateboard originally cost 119.50 minus 30% of 119.50. First you will calculate this, okay? This is the discount 1. Now 25% extra on the discounted price. So discount 2 will be what? 25, this is discount 1 amount minus 25% of discount 1, and then that will be the answer. Okay, I am sure, I know that this calculation is little longer, but I am sure you can do it. Okay, now next question, that number 7 will be, question is, at an electric store a smartphone is on sale for 35% of the original price. This is the original price. If you use the score credit card, you can receive an additional 15% off. the sale price, same like before. Okay, so first you will find 35% of this. So discount 1, this is 679 minus 35% of 679. So just calculate it, and then discount 2 will be equal to discount to that amount minus 15% of discount 2. Okay, do this question and get the answer. Next question can be, Gary had a 40% discount for new tire. The sale price of a tire was $96.25. What was the same like question? See, 96.25 minus 40% of 96.25. Just do it and you will get the answer. Of means multiplication, percent means divided by 100. A swimsuit is on a sale for $45.50 if the sale price is discounted 5% from the original price. Okay, same question. Okay, so it will be 45.50 minus 5% of 45.50. Okay, like this you can get the answer. I know I finished some questions very quickly, but I thought that you know the calculation and you can do it. Okay, but still if you have any problem, you can write in the comment. I will try to explain in another video. Okay, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.